I just moved into my new home and let me show you who my first guests are. Moving to a new home is a very stressful thing, but the Healthy Home made it much smoother. With their deep cleaning services, now my villa is going to be dust-free and clean, ready for all the unpacking.
Can I call you Rose?
I'm really impressed by the thoroughness of Healthy Home. They're not only cleaning the visible surfaces, they're even cleaning things that I wouldn't think of, like this plant. The Healthy Home uses eco-friendly products that not only clean the house, but also makes sure to improve the air quality of the room. Thank you, Healthy Home, for making my new home safe, clean, and dust-free.